Okay, we could use our French fitted to make a tricotta as well, but let us use another paper for that, so that we won't be confused. So this is very simple. We have our basic bodies here, and the next thing for us to do is to measure where we want our tricotta to be. Where exactly do you want? Tricotta is in between the elbow and this line. Tricotta sleeve is in between the level length and your wrist, your length of arm. So let's say your elbow, you want it to, your tricotta, you want it to be somewhere here. So you just check it. That's about 51 inches. 51 centimeters, not inches. So this is 51. Okay, because we do not have another line here, we can just make sure remember our elbow length is 33, so we could use that. 33.51. So here we have the tricotta line, and please, when it's just that you just want to fold it in, you're going to use 1 inch or 1.5 inches. That's the sewing allowance that you are going to add here. But if it's that you want to use another cloth to turn it in, you want to use a lining to turn it in, like you don't want any sewing traces to show on your clothes, you are just going to remove 0.5 if it's just for you to turn it in. So let us assume that we are using 1.5 inch, 1.5, so that you'll be able to fold it and fold it well and big. Normally the sleeve folding is always big. It is rare for it to be in small folds. So this is our tricotta. So I'm just going to cut it out for us to see. I'll have a quick cut. This is 0.5. I'm just assuming my 0.5. Please measure just when you're doing it. Okay, like I said earlier, you don't need to add so much here at all, because you've already added the allowance of extra 5 centimeters. So here we have it. We have our tricotta sleeve. So just imagine this sleeve on me. This is it. This is the tricotta sleeve. You know, we are still going to fold this in this way. Then we have something like this.